Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Code with Rajeshwari. In this channel, we are diving into some exciting iOS development topics. If you are looking to expand your knowledge of Swift programming or enhance your development skills, you have come to the right place. Let's get started. Today, we are going to talk about Swift UI. So, what is Swift UI? Let's break it down and make it super simple. SwiftUI is a framework introduced by Apple in 2019 for building applications on iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. It helps you to create a beautiful and functional apps faster and easier than even before. SwiftUI uses something called a declarative syntax. What is mean by that? Well, in other frameworks, you would need to tell the app exactly how to update the UI. But with Swift UI, you just tell it what you want and it does the rest. Normally, in UI Kit, you would write a lot of code to update the UI every time something changes. But with Swift UI, it's simple. You just write what you want to appear on the screen and it will automatically update it when needed. For example, here is how you can show a simple text. Text of hello world, it's the easy way. Just write it and SwiftUI will display it on the screen. One of the best features of SwiftUI is the live preview on Xcode. As you write code, you can immediately see how your app will look. No need to run the app on the device first. SwiftUI helps you to build layouts easily with things like VStack for vertical stacks and HStack for horizontal stacks. This makes it so much easier to organize your application content. SwiftUI also makes working with the data super easy. For example, you can display a list of items using the list view. Just connect your data to the list and SwiftUI handles everything for you. SwiftUI also has a powerful feature called data binding. This means that when your data changes, the UI updates automatically without you needing to do anything extra. So, the sum up, SwiftUI makes app development simpler. You just describe the UI you want and SwiftUI takes care of the rest. This helps you to build your apps faster with less code. If you are excited to learn more and start building applications with SwiftUI, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos. In the next video, we will create your very first SwiftUI app. Thanks for watching and happy coding with SwiftUI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more videos like this. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.